Hi, so here I'll be walking through generally what you should expect for the tournament day for Game On specifically. So what you will see when you uh, load up your test is you're going to be given pretty much a dummy question. So you'll be given like the classic like introductory stuff, and then when you go to the test itself, you'll see something with this, such as the topic, or like a little sheet telling you what instructions you'll need for the game. And then here, of course, you'll need to be able to have your own Scratch account and then be able to download the game that you and your partner complete itself. So uh, something we suggest you and your partner doing are either a screen sharing with various platforms such as Google Meets, Zoom, or any other platform, or if you another option is log on to the same account and then just having only one person edit the game at a particular time. In either scenario, there's pretty much only one person that can specifically control the game and like doing the coding parts itself. So what you're going to do is you're going to be starting off with your blank project, and then you have your assigned theme that you need to make your game off of over there. So you'll have Scratch already open separately. We recommend you doing this before you open the test, and then you can start creating your game and such. Once you're done with your game, you will want to now submit it. You'll submit it by uh, through this Google form that will be inside of this dummy question. So if you just click on the Google form, it'll open up in a new tab or window. And this is something similar to what you may expect. It's not going to be exactly the same thing. But here you'll just see you'll have to upload the game .sb file, and then you'll have it with your team number and school name. So what you'll have to do is here also highly recommend naming your game as well. So example, and then you're going to go to the top left, file, then save to your computer. And then you'll have that saved down there, and then you can go to your downloads, and then in my scenario, I did not name it, but if you need to rename your file, you can just right click on that file and then rename, and then just do team number and then school name. Okay, and then once you have that done, you go back to the game on Google form that we had attached, and then you can just add your file, select files from your device, and then go back to wherever you had it. Mine was in downloads, so I can just upload my SB file here, and then just click upload. And then once you're here, you can submit it, and then you will be given sent an email back to as like a receipt to help verify that you did submit your game. We're asking people to submit the game so that we know that you finished all of your edits within the correct time frame. And then once you are done with that, just to kind of like round off the test, it'll be like some type of like dummy question to just do whatever you want. Like in this scenario, it's just answer A and then submit, and then you'll be all set. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the University of Michigan Science Olympiad email. If not, then well, we wish you the best of luck on tournament day.